Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use chat on Roblox for Xbox. We'll cover everything from opening the chat window to understanding different communication methods. Whether you prefer typing messages or speaking with friends, this guide will help you navigate the features. We will also touch upon important safety aspects to ensure a positive experience for everyone. Get ready to connect with other players. To begin text chatting, simply press the View button, which looks like two overlapping squares on your Xbox controller. This action will bring up the chat window. You can then use the virtual keyboard that appears on your screen or a connected USB keyboard to type your messages. Once your message is ready, press the button or the Enter key to send it to everyone in your game. It's a straightforward way to communicate. For those who prefer speaking, Roblox on Xbox supports voice chat. First, make sure you have a compatible headset plugged into your Xbox controller. Then, navigate to the Roblox settings within the game and enable the voice chat feature. Once activated, you can communicate verbally with other players. Remember to use the in-game options to easily mute or unmute your microphone, giving you full control over your audio. Maintaining a safe and positive environment is crucial when chatting. If you encounter any inappropriate behavior or content, please use the in-game reporting tools to flag it. You can also customize your privacy settings to manage who can send you messages or join your voice chats. Always remember to be respectful and kind to everyone you interact with. Following these simple guidelines ensures a fun and secure experience for all players.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.